Obaseki don scatter Vigilante group for Inikorogha where they help illegal logging for Edo. Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki wey waka enter check mission with team of security agencies for Inikorogha community for Ovia Southwest local government area for the state, yarn say he don scatter the group sake of say them dey join hand with the people wey dey thief food and do bad things.
Thank God I'm here with DSS because DSS is supposed to screen every vigilante group. So based on what you have said now, we are disbanding any vigilante. Well, please, you have the instruction as we go back. Every vigilante stock now is demobilized, and DC Ops, please, you post your men here to come and take charge until we regroup and get another vigilante team to take charge of security here.
Oga Governor come promise them Ogbonge road, come here say me go make sure say Ogbonge security people dey to help keep the community safe.
I don't see for myself. By next week, the bulldozers will start to do this road. We must have access to this community. The problem is, say, NDDC awarded that contract. They didn't even tell the state government about it. So even the design of the road, we don't know. They don't chop the money, they don't fit continue the road again. Design, we not get, we don't know how they start. So when we waiting delay us, we say we had to go and redesign the road, and we don't finish the design now. So I don't get contractor, we will get the contractor this month before the rain start heavy, make them come start work. And they will start from this side, because now this side bypass. Okay? Because if person fit come and go and come, all of this nonsense will stop. For the marine police, we have to now station 2 of the vessels here on a permanent basis until we're able to build a jetty for them. So the design for a jetty, you just need the local one. We have to build a jetty here in Inikorogha for the people here. Not only for security, but also to enhance the commerce and commercial activities in this area.
Oga Governor come talk say better forestry law go dey when go give correct punishment to people when they use corner thief food.
Before now, what we had before as a bill or as a law essentially didn't have real penalties. It was more like a slap in the hand if they found you, infringing or, cutting trees down in the forests. With this bill, it specifies very stricter terms, including jail sentences. Before now, the law just provided for goods to be impounded and auctioned or sold at certain prices. But with the current law, it goes beyond just impounding. We will prosecute and convict people who are logging illegally and who are doing things against the spirit and the law of the forestry law in Edo State.
The chairman for the community, Mr. Favor Arigban, come claim say some tiffy people drive am for the community or to say they fight against illegal logging for the Okomu National Forest.
Because I agree to all of una we take counsel, we una follow governor come, agree to una do it. And our problem we get is too much. To count themselves is too much. I don't know we are on for start, I never even know. As you can see yourself, I like myself. Not so the one where they talk for your ear, say, as you come sing today, so I like them. But one thing is the for year now, we will not be corporate now. Presently, we will not be united. Our fashion will get for year and reach about 3 or 4. Apparently, me with the chairman with they led of recent that time. They not let me work for this community as I tell you so. Those one will pass us. They don't let us walk till now. They don't let me walk. Now so far I just did now. Even the Amakusu for this community, they don't let us stay. That is why as you come, so you not see Amakusu for you. If not, if you see Amakusu, now you Amakusu, please now for Gukata. But now because of their wahala, Amakusu not going to stay for this community. So now they rule over this community. We will not get anything to do for you.
The Ogbonge people went follow Oga Governor for this waka na Secretary to the State Government Osarodion Oge Esquire, Chief of Staff Osaigbovo Iyoha, Commissioner for Mining, Oil and Gas Ethan Uzamere, and other top government people. Ebo Sereme Obinome, TMC TV, News.